Hi, this is Adarsh. So today we are gonna talk about automated rules in Ads Manager. There are some rules that you should set in your Ads Manager, so you will save your time and money. I have set this in all my clients' ad accounts, as you can see. So these are all my clients' ad accounts because I work with wedding photographers to help them with their lead generation. So let's see. You can go here, then you can go in automated rules. First tool to have is to control your cost per lead. So we are gonna say create rules, then high cost per lead. We are gonna select all campaigns, then turn off campaigns. That is an action. Condition we are gonna set cost per results. So whenever our cost per result goes up to 200 rupees, then we are gonna turn off that particular campaign automatically. So we won't lose much money because means I have spent so much around 35-40 lakhs plus, and I know that it is not worth it to have more than 200 rupees cost per lead. So we are gonna look at only last 3 days or last 7 days data. Last 3 days is good. We are gonna check it daily, this automation. We don't have to do anything, it will be all on automatic. So this is the setting. The rule is for high cost per lead. It applies to campaign. If the cost per lead goes above 200, it will automatically get turned off. So you won't have to look at it. Because sometimes we leave the campaign active and we forget about it. And when the cost per lead goes above 200, it is costing us way too much money. So it's better to turn it off and test new ads. So this is our first tool. You can cross check the settings again. Yeah, last 3 days, turn off campaigns. Yeah, all right. Other is that if you run a new campaign and it is not getting any leads, then you can create a new rule. It also apply to all campaigns. I'm not using it, but you can use it if you forget about turning off your ads and all. Results means how many leads you got. If how many leads you got is less than 5 in last 3 days, means that campaign is not performing well. So it will automatically get turned off. You can select it to last 7 days as well, but 3 days are good. Sometimes fluctuations happens, when fluctuations happens in 2 to 3 days, not 7 days. And the other one is scaling, but not everyone want to scale their ads. So this is only for some of clients who want to increase their ad budget gradually. So here we are gonna select increase daily budget by 20% is good. And maximum budget cap on campaign should be, I think, around 999. So if the results are greater than 50, means you get 50 leads in last 7 days. And cost per lead is less than, let's say, 100, then it will increase the budget. Again, last 7 days. Okay, something is missing. So here is the rule. We got 50 leads at cost per lead lower than 100 in last 7 days. So we are gonna increase the budget by 20%. It means that campaign is performing and could perform better if you increase the budget. Or you can go with last 14 days as well. That is safe. So let's make it last 14 days. Okay. Okay. We can select here save rule. So we have got 3 rules here. One is for scaling, one is for campaigns who are not getting any leads, and one is for high cost per lead. So right now I'm not using scaling because I can do it whenever I want, whenever clients demand. No leads is also good, but I'm only testing this one right. This is works for me. So yeah, if you want to learn more, then you can watch my YouTube videos. And I have new offer as well. If you want to learn from me, you can go on this and get the coaching details and learn from me personally. Thank you.